Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to disable or effectively remove the Google Play Store from your Android phone. If you no longer want to use the Google Play Store and would like to disable it, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap on the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll down, find the Apps option and tap to open it. Now scroll through the list of apps until you find Google Play Store or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Remember, it's Google Play Store, not Google Play Services. After opening Google Play Store, then scroll down and tap on Storage. Here you can see the two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on the both option step by step and confirm to delete. Once the data has been cleared, go back to the previous screen and tap Disable. A warning message will appear saying that disabling this app may cause some apps or feature on your phone to stop working properly. The truth is you cannot completely uninstall or permanently remove the Google Play Store because it is a built-in system app on Android. However, you can disable it so that it no longer function normally. That's it. You have successfully disabled the Google Play Store on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel Fix Your Apps for more Android tips and tutorials.